Ayaw ko kasi presidente ako. Once upon a time, I was president. Now, I could just imagine what will happen to my country if things go awry. Ganyan na. So, hindi panggaling sa akin.
So, kung ang tao na mayor ang pupunta at magalsa,
So, ako, I will take my cue from the military. Kung sabihan nila na they will take this step, I will support it. Sige, Mayor, samahan mo kami, magpunta tayo doon sa tignan nating record. We will ask. Tapos ganun. I will follow. No. Leave me out. Ako basta kung may mga ganong uprising, sinabi ko na sa kanila, I'm out. Wala akong participation. No nothing. No nothing.
mayor,
What?
from supporting what you said was a Eurovision festival, are you not going to join them to open up?
Civilian ako. I have no authority to order them to open. And I am not enjoining them. I am not telling them anything. Ito lang ang tanong ko sa military. Hanggang kailan kayo magsuporta ng drug addict? Just about 4 years. Ngayong magsabi, yes sir, we are the loyalist bunch of sabihin ko sa Pilipino, Davao, sabi nitong mga military natin, okay daw. Critical dyan is alam nila na durugis ka sa presidente. Hindi nila, tanungin lang nila yung kaya isang kita mo kung hindi bangag. Ito may isang gwardiya dyan sa Presidential Guard nag-suicide, minumura, you can tap the fingers and say, huwag ka masyado matulog, puti na yan. Pero kung ako yun, isin mo, huwag ka matulog. Tabi ka lang. Murahin mo, kaya puta napahiya ko. Sundalo, nagpakamatay. Nabaril. Sa argument yun. Ito ang argument about the present situation. I do not know whose side was the colonel. Was with. Colonel, hindi mo na-suicide yun. Yung patient suicide talaga. Minura niya. Ni Mrs. Marcos. Bago lang. Siguro mga 2 months pa lang ako na umalis.